stuff.
How you doing? What's up? I'm AlexT.Productions, and this is my boy, Mr. Juice. With a grenade.
Hi.
Hi. Where are you going?
Why do I keep throwing grenades? What?
Yes, because you built like that.
You guys probably don't know me. I'm from a different YouTube channel, but
Yeah.
hopefully he'll put the link and channel and stuff in the description.
No, I won't.
But do you wanna get started?
Bet.
Okay, so we're gonna need crowbar. Grab that crowbar.
Fine.
Okay. Okay. Grab flashlight. This is our starter's item.
Yeah.
Follow me. This is what we're starting with. And also there's monsters in there. I forgot to tell you before we started.
I mean, I can probably guess that.
Oh shoot, it's already night.
Oh.
You wanna go down? Let's go.
Yeah, why not? This is my first VR. This is gonna be my first VR video on my channel. I think that's
Me
a
and my
bear.
friends.
I don't think that's a bear.
Hey,
I mean, it
it's
could be.
night. I mean, it's morning. All right, chop down some trees. Chop down some trees.
Bro, I thought that was a goat. Okay.
Put in the fire.
Where is the fire? Oh. How did I not see that? What? That looked like it just appeared there.
Put that in the fire. Just throw it in. And some random nights, I think it's night 5,
Yeah.
is when, like, the Wendigo spawns in.
Yo, bet the Wendigo. I've heard about that. Not in this game, but like the Wendigo.
This is basically a off-brand 99 Nights in the Forest
Yeah.
from Roblox. But yeah.
Oops, I dropped it.
Hey!
Yo!
Smack him with your crowbar.
Bad boy. No. What the heck? Yo! You just smacked me a 2x2. Oh.
Yo, we got a weapon. Ah, behind you.
Oh my gosh! What the heck is that?
It's an ogre. Run! No, run!
That looks like a Mario.
Run!
That looks.
Run! Alex, run!
Where?
Yeah.
Are you dead? Bro.
Yeah, I died. Revive me. Revive me. Put my ghost in my body.
You sound like a Smurf.
Cause I am a Smurf.
No. You sound
banana.
like. Oh, the nerd Smurf. I forgot what his name was. Like nerdy or something.
Bro, I died again.
Stop dying, nerdy Smurf, bro.
Alex, revive me, please.
You literally sound like him from like the old
Alex,
TV
get
show.
over here.
I'm cutting down a tree. Where's
Get
your
over
body?
here. Follow that smoke. Oh shoot. Put my body in.
I think I died.
Oh.
Ooh, I'm a ghost.
Alright, respawn.
I am.
Okay, we obviously didn't do well that first time, but
Yeah.
we'll try again.
Yeah.
This time, we need bags.
We do need bags. Yo.
Okay, here's a bat.
Yo, bet.
This mines the trees faster, I think, and it does more damage to monsters. And here's a flashlight.
Thanks.
Alright. Alright, let's go. I wonder if the fire's still lit. That'd be funny if it is.
I just hit my bed.
Hello.
Hello.
Hello, hello, monsters. Monkey banana.
Why is there so many monsters? All like they're all packed together. I just got hit again.
Yeah, just stay away from those things. Oh god, I found the window door.
I'm getting eaten, I think.
Oh shoot.
My
No! Get in here.
ah. That looks like that looks like Siren Head from afar.
Where'd my bat go?
I have a
Alex, you
bat.
took my bat. You took my bat.
Where's my bat? I think
Your
there's
bat
something
is
right
over
there.
here. No.
I died.
Get over here, nerdy Smurf. Oh no, he's gonna kill me. Don't kill me. Get over here.
Here,
I'm gonna call you nerdy Smurf whenever you die.
bro.
How did what?
I hit you. I hit you with my bat.
Bro, what? This is my bat
My
now.
bat.
There's a bat right there.
Shotgun shells. We don't have any shotguns. Yo,
Here we
bro, we
go.
need to get some wood. Hold on, get some wood.
How did I put things in my backpack? They're just like
That was pretty fast. Boom.
I don't know how this works.
They burn! They burn! Oh, I can't get out.
Oh, what?
Bro, if you stay in the
go.
fire for too long, you get stuck for some reason. And it's hard to get
I
out.
can't do that.
Yo!
Can I like move it? Yeah, I can. Get over
Wait,
there.
hit me, hit it in the. No!
Let's play golf.
Golf! Oh,
Hole, yeah.
Hole in two. Hole in
Hole-
two.
Hole in two.
No! Bro. Hole in three. Yeah, when
Let's go. I'm. Yo. I'm gonna put my stuff right here.
get some more wood, get some more wood.
Fine.
We're gonna need more wood.
Yo, bet. I got this log that's hiding in the bushes to go pee or something.
No!
What?
Hey! Monkey banana.
That looks like
Monkey
something
banana.
from The Hobbits.
Help!
No. What?
Run, Alex, run!
How'd you... Get over here. I'm gonna smack that, but... Get over... Was that... Yo, I died. Ooh, I'm a ghost now. All that for just a piece of chicken, bro. Wow, that's crazy. Brenton, I died. I tried to get
Oh,
a
let me
piece of
revive-
chicken.
No, I died.
Bro, how could you?
Bro. We suck at.
We do suck at this.
Go back, monkey. Bro, we suck so bad.
Yeah,
You would try again or no? You would
Yeah.
try again?
it's fun.
Bro, I had a heart gun which can sell for a lot of money.
Then
But
get
I
it
lost
back.
it. I died. I
We need to get it
died.
back then. Ow. I tried to get us food.
Bro tried to get a piece of chicken.
Yeah. All that for just a piece of chicken, bro.
He died.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh.
Dude.
Bro did all that for a piece of chicken.
That's literally what I just said.
The fact that we just keep dying at night, like we haven't died. Oh look. The heart gun.
Yummy. I don't like this.
Yo, hey, yo. Monkey.
Yo, get on! That's not what I meant. That's not what I meant. Don't kill me. I didn't mean it. Probably. No, no, not you. I don't want to. No. Don't get me. I didn't do anything. The fire's out. The fire's out. I didn't mean it.
Alex, over here.
I can't get you. I'm getting chased by the ops.
I freaking died.
Get over here. You're coming over here.
My body's below me.
Yeah, I know. I just don't want to die myself.
Hey.
Hey, look,
We need some wood. Get some wood. Get some wood.
Wild. I'm gonna help you. Yo, it's day. Let's go.
Yeah.
We survived. Not really a night, cause no, not really. Never mind.
We survived half of the night. I mean,
Like a bit of it.
yeah, we survived at least half of it. Oh,
Yeah.
shoot. Let me fight this monkey. Oh, you missed. Oh, you missed. You missed. You missed. Yo!
What?
I found a big upgrade.
Oh, what? Wow. I'm gonna kill this chicken.
I pulled
because
the
he has the
chicken.
biggest yacht. Chicken jockey. Yo, bet. Yum.
Put that in your backpack.
Did it go in?
You gotta go like this. You gotta open it. You gotta take it off, open it, and put it in your bag.
Oh. Okay, now.
And you
I
also
get it.
gotta close your. I ate Nolan.
Bro. Ow. Yo.
My bad, my bad. Hey, I'll blind you. I'll blind you.
No, don't blind me. I need to get this piece of chicken. Okay, I think I understand how to do this now. I'm just gonna... Can I fit this stuff too?
Bro.
What? Did you die? Oh no. Why did I just hear bro?
Terrific.
That's an extra backpack. That sounds like Renton.
Bro, I
No.
died.
Stop dying!
I can't, bro. I'm looking for stuff, but I'm trying to get some wood, but I keep dying. These things are actually annoying. Bro, I threw my flashlight.
Why'd you throw your flashlight?
I didn't mean to throw the giant flashlight, bro. Oh, monkey. Yes.
Yo, I got a box.
I'm eating this chicken.
How do I get
Bro,
it open?
just open it like... Here, let me open it.
I know how to do it. Yo, what is this?
It's a gay wall.
I
You
don't
hit
like
me.
that. What?
You hit me.
Did
You
I?
hit me. Yeah, you hit me.
How
Can
much
you
stuff?
revive me, bro? You just killed me. No.
It's dark. It's too dark for my liking.
It's not that dark. Chicken.
Where's my flashlight? Not yet. Not yet. Not yet.
What do you mean not yet?
My mom was asking if I was eating right now.
Oh shoot.
Since dinner's done.
Bro, why do I keep dying? This thing is targeting me.
Yeah, because you're better.
What? It despawns when it goes near you?
Yeah.
Probably because you're
apparently.
ugly.
Yeah.
Probably because you're ugly.
It's
I need
probably-
some. I need some, bro.
It's probably because I'm naked right now.
What?
Yeah, like you have like accessories on you. I don't.
Oh, it makes sense.
It does. Why is it?
Oh shoot! It's after me again.
It
This is not
just
fair.
likes you. He just.
I don't like it.
Where's? Oh no. What is this? Ow. Yo, I survived the night.
Bro,
What?
you know why?
Why?
This is war.
Where are you?
Is it still night?
Oh, there you are.
How dare you leave me?
Yo! Can you revive me, please? I just wanna store some of my things in my backpack. Or like, in my inventory.
Chicken. Well, that wasn't really successful, bro. We kept dying, bro.
I mean, I survived the night. That's gotta be something.
I didn't. I kept dying. The thing kept targeting me.
Yeah.
You want to end the video here, or do you want to do something?
Yeah, we can end the video right here since I guess I'm gonna go eat.
All right.
Let's
Let's see what we
do an
got.
outro.
Mm.
Like, you build me up.
Wait, go out there.
Yeah. So, this is the end of the video, guys. I'm gonna see you later, and goodbye!
Bye.